Hi, I'm Dr. Marta Baird, and in this video, I'll be reviewing your Invisalign Palatal Expander instructions. The Invisalign Palatal Expander is custom 3D printed and designed to fit every patient's unique mouth. The design of the expander is comfortable for the tongue and does not apply pressure to the soft tissues of the roof of the mouth. To remove the expander, use the removal handles. The expander should be worn full time and only removed when brushing your teeth. Please eat with the expander in place. At your first visit, tooth-colored attachments are placed on the back teeth, 2 on each side. Please let us know if these come off during treatment. The attachments are what hold the expander in place. When placing the expander, make sure to completely seat it so that it fits over the attachments. Pressure for expansion is applied to the back teeth with each stage. Each stage is progressively wider to gradually expand the upper jaw. While we may order 40 or more stages, we may not need to progress through all of them. It's important to visit our office for routine visits during the expansion phase to monitor progress. Thank you for watching this video. For more information on orthodontic treatment, visit bairdorthodontics.com.